Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a simple Get API in Node.js using Express. Let's start. Here I already opened a Node.yt folder and I want to open a terminal. Here type npm init, click enter. I'm not going to give any package name and click enter. Click enter and we got package.json here. Now we need two npm package. One is Express, another one is Node.js. Okay, I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and I'm going to copy the Node.js command, paste it here. Both the package are added here. I'm going to create a JS file. Its name is server.js. I'm going to go to package.json. Here change the index.json to JS to server.js. Click enter. Save this, and here I just create one console log here and save this. Now to run the project. Express.js is used to create a route in Node.js, and also Node.js is used to run the project after any change. Okay, now to run the project. Node.js and this server. Okay, file name. Click enter. Sometime Node.js will not run in terminal. While click the down arrow and click select default profile and select the command prompt. Node.js is running, and also first is printed here. Okay, now to input the express here. Const express require and express. After that, I'm going to create another const app. I'm going to copy this express and paste it here. I'm going to create a port app.listen. Here I'm going to run this API in 3000 or 2000 somewhere, anything. Okay, you can give any port number. Here I'm going to create one console log, and here running. Okay, save this. Port is running 3000 port. Okay, I'm going to create a get API app.get. This is default API. Okay, I'm not give any route here. Request and also response. Here I'm going to send the response. Okay, rest dot send, and first I send hello and save this, and I'm going to hit the API. Okay, in Postman, go to Postman. Here local host, we are running this API in 3000 port number. Okay, if I click send, we get hello here. Okay, now I'm going to send array. I'm going to create array. This name is data. Here name demo or something, anything. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this for times, and I'm going to copy this, and instead of hello I'm going to pass that array here. Okay, and go to Postman and click again send, we get response. Okay, and instead of localhost 3000, and I'm going to pass this specific API name. Okay, and here I'm going to change this slash into slash data. Okay, or otherwise get data. Save this, go to Postman. Here after that I'm going to pass this get data and click send, we get same data. If I remove this get data and if I click send, we get error message. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye bye.